am Sugar Smile, and we're here today at SM Mall of Asia for the Starbucks Magical Christmas Nostalgia event. It's the yearly Christmas event of Starbucks, and we're here today with Laraya and Foggy. Yun, so they'll be announcing and they'll be showing us today yung mga planners nila, yung mga Christmas drinks nila, and everything they have for Christmas. So stay tuned and please keep on watching. So we're given a special magical Christmas nostalgia passport, and we have a Santa's to-do list. It says, become one of Santa's helpers in spreading the cheer and magic of Christmas with Starbucks. My Christmas Carol, Let It Snowy Cranberry, My Christmas Promise, Go Around the Globe, and Make a Wish. At ngayon merong choir na kumakanta. So first of all, pupuntahan muna natin yung Christmas drinks nila, which are the Snowy Cranberry White Mocha, Peppermint Mocha, and Toffee Nut Crunch Latte. Oh my gosh, yung favorite ko, Toffee Nut Crunch Latte talaga. So ayan, papagawa natin ngayon. So they're doing the Snowy Cranberry White Mocha. Hi kayo kuya! Yay! Hi! Snowy Cranberry Mocha. Yan! Ayan, kasama ko si Ed today. Ay, kakanta kami ng Christmas Carol. O, check out lang.
Jingle bells. Sige.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Yay!
May second voice kasi nadala na second voice ko.
Nadala talaga. Yan. So, ayan. Nasa first, na tayo? To-do list. Christmas Carol. So, the next one is Let It Snowy Cranberry Game. Throw the cranberry toppings on the drinks dandy. Player must be able to stick 4 cranberry toppings to win an exciting prize. Exciting! Oh, yung cute!
Yo, no?
Sabi naman yung Ria.
Sa kabilang Starbucks.
Thank you! Ayan, si Cristel. Go, Cristel! Win us the notepad. So, our next station is the Go Around the Globe. Hindi makita ay mag-focus. Yan, go around the globe at mag-picture taking lang dun sa globe. Next one is the My Christmas Promise? Yep. Okay. Tayo. Ano promise mo?
Hanapin mo mamaya. Saan kita?
Punta ako.
Tabi ka doon. Tumabi ka.
Picture ba yan?
Hindi, video. Ano, sabihin mo?
So, my Christmas promise is to travel more on 2019 and stay happy! Woo! So, yung last card natin is Make a Wish. Yay! Tapos na! So, guys, tapos na ako with my to-do list. So, we're going to Starbucks gift shop to get my free gift. Hey! Hi! Ay, naku, pressure yan! My gosh! Ba't ganito? Ay, sorry! Okay. Red tote bag! Yay! Thank you! Hi kayo! So, here are the Christmas merchandise of Starbucks. Ayan, may tumbler and may mug. Christmas. So cute! Reindeer. Siren. Limited edition Starbucks cards. Tapos si Barista. Adams.
Video pa.
So here are the Christmas offerings also for food sa Starbucks. Meron silang chocolate oat cheesecake, vanilla blueberry cake, cranberry pistachio turkey flatbread. And here are the Starbucks card, the siren card, the siren's tail card, the siren's crown card. So cool, ang ganda, parang ano, parang si Snow White. And here are the planners. Ayan, merong iba-ibang design. This one. This one. Ganda oh. Tingnan natin yung loob. Travel organizer. Wow! Ang ganda! So I'm back home and now we're going to unbox the 2019 Starbucks planner. So if you wanna know more about this planner, please keep on watching. So ayun nga guys, planner season is finally back this November 2 at Starbucks. Again, you just need to collect 18 stickers for these planners and organizers. Meron siyang 2 designs today. 2 designs yung planners, tapos 2 designs yung travel organizers. So, ayun, you can avail of the paper promo card at any Starbucks stores. Tapos, surprise, ngayon, hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng Christmas blends or Christmas drink for you to get the planner. You just need to fill out 18 stickers, lahat ng beverage nila, except for the yung mga bottled drinks nila na binibenta sa Starbucks. So you can get 1 sticker each. It may be in tall, in grande, or in bendy size. Basta kahit anong drink ng Starbucks, pwede na kayong mag-avail ng planner. Like I said, dalawa yung designs niya. Ito yung malaki, yung bigger one is the 2019 Starbucks planner. Tapos itong nasa maliit na box, yung travel organizers. So, the travel organizers and the planners are different from each other ha. Yung planner talaga siya. Yung travel organizer, meron din siyang paper, parang journal. It's a dotted journal, but it's not necessarily the same as the design as the planner. So the first one that we are going to open is the 2019 planner, Handcraft Your Year. It comes with a special edition Starbucks card. Ito yung, if you wanna see, ito yung parang Snow White, pero ang totoo, yung siren siya, tapos ang hawak niya yung coffee bean. As in coffee na bean. Ayun. It says, activate with at least 500 and register this card via www.starbucks.ph or Starbucks Philippines mobile app for a chance to win the Starbucks for a year. Again, Starbucks will be drawing people who will win Starbucks for 365 days for 2019. So, ayan. Tanggalin na natin ang plastic cover niya. So, ito pala, when you get this card, ito yata yung identifier kung anong planner yung laman ng card. So, pag this one, yung card, ang makuha mo yung milk or cream na planner. Dalawa kasi yung color niya, isang cream, isang espresso. Yung cream, yun yung parang white, parang milk. Yung espresso, yun yung parang black or very dark brown na color ng planner. So, what I have with me, I think, is the cream Starbucks planner. Kasi, pag yun nga, yung siren na may coffee siya nadala, yun yung planner na makuha. Tapos, like yung 2016 planners, meron ding pouch na kasama. So, this is the pouch of the cream planner. Para siyang light green or teal na pouch. Then, here comes the planner. Yay! Yan. Ito yung cream na planner. Ito yung front niya. Tapos, ito yung back side niya. Ang ganda, oh. Parang may nagsusulat na, na hand. Meron din siyang mga theme every month. Parang yung sa last year. Personal information and inside pages na. Yung calendar for the calendar year. Tapos, January wishes come true. Ayan. February. Ayan. March. Ang cute! Cherry blossoms. Tapos, April. I think summer to. Dreamcatcher. Yan. May. Make your friends smile. Tapos, June. Color your summer. Bakit summer? Di ba hindi naman summer dito pa, June? Tapos, yan. Celebrations, July. Then, August. Your feelings today. September, Once Upon a Time. October, my favorite monster. Kasi Halloween. Tapos, November, try something new. And for December, syempre, merry. Be merry. Kasi nga, Christmas. Yan, meron din again yung mga free drinks, pag bumili ka ng tumbler, or buy one, take one, ng mga coupons. Pero hindi na siya kasing laki nung before. Dati kasi nag-take up ng mga 2 pages yun. Pero yun nga, pansin ko ngayon hindi na. Medyo maliit na. The next one that we're gonna open is the travel organizer. This one I'm excited about kasi this is the first time that Starbucks will be launching a travel organizer. And for planneristas out there, I'm sure sobrang na-excite na kayo. So, here is the box of the travel organizer, the Starbucks travel organizer. It has also a special edition Pilipinas Starbucks card. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita sa camera. Pero yan, ito siya. And, yun nga, as I've said earlier, all the planners and the travel organizers has their own Starbucks card inside. So, hindi mo na kailangan, kung collector ka, madadagdag na agad sa, sa collection mo. So, this one is activated by loading 500 pesos sa Starbucks card mo, or kung hindi mo naman type yun, okay lang naman. Pero, yun nga, pag inactivate mo yung card kasi, it qualifies you to win the promo Starbucks for a year. So, yun. Mas maliit siya sa planner. And, i-compare ko lang yung sizes ng boxes nila. Ito yung box ng Starbucks planner. Ito yung box ng travel organizer. So, mas maliit talaga siya. So, if Starbucks planners come in 2 colors, the travel organizer also comes in 2 colors. Sienna and the teal. Kuha ko is the Sienna one. Para siyang orange na brownish one. Ayan, ito yung color niya. You can see. Tapos, ang dami kasing nagtatanong kung gaano siya kalaki. Sabi nila, hindi ko alam yung comparison nila. Pero ito, almost mga 7.5 inches siya. Ayan. Or in centimeters, mga nasa, 19 centimeters siya. So, yun nga, para siyang leather, yung yung texture niya. Tapos, when you open it, ayan. Ayaw bukas. meron siyang strap that you can put sa labas, I think. Dito. May flap siya dito. Ayan. Yung strap, pwede mong ilagay dito. Ayan. So, you can carry it na parang purse. O, diba? Ang cute. Parang purse. Tapos, it comes with a journal. Actually, hindi siya planner. Parang ini-explain ko actually nung dun sa mga planner groups na where I belong in na hindi siya talaga planner. So, yan. Open natin. Ito yung inside pages niya. Yan. Para siyang, journal. Pero, meron din yung mga personal information, yung calendar, tapos lined siya. Ayan, hindi ko alam kung makikita ng maayos sa camera. Lined siya na parang journal. Tapos, may pages lang na ganito. And, meron din siyang coupons. Ayan. Meron ding Starbucks coupons that you can enjoy when you go to your Starbucks stores. Tapos, sobrang ganda niya. Yan. Ito yung loob niya. Meron din yung teal. Maganda rin yung color niya. I think I'll be getting that one too. Pag lumabas na siya on November 2 sa Starbucks stores nationwide. So, yan. Pwede mong ilagay yung phone mo or something sa loob niya. So, this is the Shena Travel Organizer. Hi guys! It's the Sugar Smile and we're here today at SM Mall of Asia for the Starbucks Magical Christmas Nostalgia event. It's the yearly Christmas event of Starbucks and we're here today with the Ryan Foggy! Yun, so, they'll be announcing and they'll be showing us today yung mga planners nila, yung mga Christmas drinks nila and everything they have for Christmas. So, stay tuned and keep on watching! Hi guys! This is my unboxing of the Starbucks 2019 planner and the Starbucks 2019 travel organizer. And sobrang natutuwa ko kasi meron tayong mga choices ngayon. Binigyan tayo ng Starbucks ng so many choices to get para sa planners nila. So, again, this will be available on November 2 at Starbucks stores. And I hope you're as excited as me. So, again, thank you for watching, guys. Please click the thumbs up sign if you like this video. Please comment down below kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyong planners na makita kasi meron pa akong mga ibang planners na gustong i-unbox. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Bye!